Hi, welcome to my Affinity Space Inquiry project. Today we're going to go over the world of Cricut. One of the resources that you can use when you are looking up how to use a Cricut is YouTube. It has a wealth of information. This is mostly just videos. There's not a lot of interaction, but they are very helpful for coming up with do-it-yourself projects. There's information on how to get started, products. There's a lot of great videos on different supplies and hacks for using the Cricut and tutorials. Social media is another outlet for this affinity space of Cricut. As you can see, there are lots of Cricut followers in these social media outlets. You're able to interact with other people who use the Cricut. They will provide feedback, give you information, give you tips. It's a great way to come up with ideas and help with each other. These are some of the things that you can get from social media. They give you inspiration. A lot of times people will go on and share their projects or their products for feedback. Here someone is asking for help from other Cricut experienced makers. Just some fun projects that people like to share. You can also get information about Cricut in books. There are a lot of books on Cricut. This is an example of what the Cricut design space looks like. You can go into the Cricut design space. You can choose pre-made projects. You can create your own. Here is the grid where you make all of your Cricut designs. Here's an example of a pre-made. It tells you exactly what you need. And then this is what it's going to look like when the Cricut cuts it for you to make that project. You can also take in-person and online classes, so you can have some face-to-face with other Cricut project masters. You can learn from the pros. There are courses and workshops. It can be in real time. There's live workshops that you can attend. And at different craft stores, there are also live in-person classes that you can take with other people that are interested in making Cricut projects. And finally, you can get on to Cricut through their website, and they do have apps for your phone. You can buy materials, you can learn about them, you can actually make the designs from your phone and connect it right up to your Cricut. So the possibilities are endless with Cricut. Thank you.